part of this dude.
Get out there and have a little fun or something.
This the water park in the hood. 84, 85.
They still doing it.
I ain't seen that in a long time.
It is hot.
Hell yeah.
Oh, you about to put this one over here?
Yeah.
A little raggedy thing.
Córtate un pedazo así de alambre y lo pones de allí para acá. Allí vas a hacer eso.
Voy a buscar esta rueda.
Nada más le pones un putazo allí, eso es todo. Y luego las ventanas, the windows in the basement, you bought them?
Yeah.
Okay, ven. Where do you want them?
Oh, let me show you. Excuse me.
Show me which one, how you want them. Where at?
I think he painted. Let's go see. We're gonna do this one right here. Make sure it's the same size, I guess. It should be, but I don't know. If it's not, it should be the same size. Okay, and then that one over there. Yeah. Woo. Looking good.
Now listen, here it is here. He want me to do all these bags. It's about, let's just say 22 bags. 35 bags. I said, so this gonna take care of the debt that I owe you. He said, man, this ain't no $50 job. Say, I pay by the hour. So I say, well, you know, it's a 2 or 3 hour job. He was like, no, it ain't no 2 or 3 hour job. I said, well, you pay for the labor, man. You pay for labor. He say that he gonna think he gonna pay me $20 an hour, which is a good pay. $20 an hour is a good pay. To lay 35 bags of dirt that's gonna be 20, 30 minutes. It might take a mechanic 20, 30 minutes to fix your car, but you pay him for labor, right or wrong?
Same car. You're paying them because it's a skilled trade. Nigga, this
is a skilled trade. This is a skilled trade. This is a skilled trade because I had to train in the gym to be able to lift these bags and do good work. You know what I'm saying? I don't understand how people don't want to pay what you weigh. You know what I'm saying? Pay how they say it. I pay what they weigh. But anyway, hey look, I need you to go play all this dirt down. I'm gonna give you $100. Now I'm gonna give you $20 an hour, and it take me 30 minutes to do all that, and then you be like, good job, here go $15. Man,
you let the niggas, that goddamn company work for do that.
How they said, boy, bye. Hey, no, girls say that shit. No, man, bye.
So, okay, we ain't worried about over here. Most of this stuff is coming over here. Over here. You ain't even looking. Pay attention, my guy. You ain't with me. Pay attention, my nigga. Over here, it's gotta be piled up to about right here so we can slope down. You feel me? Coming along this line right here. Same situation. This tree is obviously causing a problem. Same thing over here. All the way up.
What you gonna do with that grass?
What grass?
Right here. You ain't got even a weed whacker.
I don't need one, nigga. We putting rocks and dirt there. Who cares?
So you gonna put rocks and dirt over the grass?
Yes.
That's gonna grow through it. That's what we have weeds and stuff. They grow through dirt. But it's up to you. You're gonna have to do it anyway, eventually.
I don't care about that. I'm just trying to get this so where it slopes up down. You see how this goes down? We need to get it to go this way. You feel me?
I think so. Y'all seen what this was. This brother got me carrying 50-pound bags back and forth over here. But he is helping. I gotta give it to him. He helping. He did his thing. He teaching me about you know, how to grade the material and to stop the rain and stuff like that from doing this. He did all this. I ain't gonna even cap. He did all this. I carried it though. That's like me, you know, carrying the guns and you doing the shooting. You couldn't shoot without the guns. You know what I'm saying? He doing this thing though. I should have had the before and after, but it looks really good. Yeah. I'll open the bags, boss. You want me to open the bags, boss? I'll open the bags, boss.
Okay. We gonna go in here and see what he doing.
What up, though?
What you down here doing?
Putting this clear sealant on the floor.
Painting the floor, huh?
To seal it.
Okay. I see you.
Glad you're looking at me.
Who looking at you?
I said, glad you're looking at me. What y'all?
Whatever.
Paint?
You going home with no socks on?
No, my socks is clean.
That's enough glitter?
Oh, I mean, we did it already. That's our road.
What the glitter supposed to do?
Make it look good.
Oh,
What does glitter do?
okay. Love this ceiling fan. I probably picked it out. Oh, it looks like he finished the accent wall, and I do love it. The accent walls, my idea. Don't let him tell you different. Anyways, let's see what else we got here. Okay. I like it. Let's see. Oh, I love that light. Yes. Oh. Okay. He learning something from me. Y'all, if y'all like, this was one of the most exciting flips because I had so much interest in seeing how this would turn out because of the before. I'm sure a before and after videos coming, but because of the before, I had such a like excitement. It's like the other one I'm excited about too for the same reason, because of how it looks. I can't wait to see the after. Okay, and as you guys know, this was a separate entity and we combined it to make it one big house. Oh my gosh. This looks good. Turned out beautifully. Oh, look at the bathroom in working order. Yes. Uh-huh. Let's see. Turned out so good. So good. The next buyer for this house is going to enjoy it greatly. I should push him down, y'all. I should push him down. He gonna tumble right over.
Please. Balance on fleek.
Good afternoon. How are you this afternoon, sir?
I'm just hard working.
Working hard or hardly working?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. This house came out so good. I can't wait to see what the other one look like. Endless possibilities back here. Okay, endless. I have me a pool, maybe a little sitting area, like listen, stuff for the kids, swing sets, whatever, she shed, all that.